Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to hide Instagram likes. If you want to hide Instagram likes or Instagram post like, you can easily hide it. I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here I am on my Android mobile screen, and let me open Instagram application first. And now go to your profile, and here you will see your all posts. So select post, which post if you want on post you want to hide the likes. Select open the post and go to the three line option, and here you can see the hide likes count. You can click on it, and the other person will not see the your post likes. You can see by clicking view inside. Okay, and we will see all likes. Okay, so if you want to hide all likes, then there is another setting. So for that you have to go in setting, click again on your profile photo, go to this three bar option, go to the settings, and here you have to click on privacy. In privacy you will see the option called post. Under the post you will see there is the option likes and views. So you can hide all post likes and views, but there is a note you have to read, because when you on it, so you also won't see the total numbers likes and view of other person post. Okay, so if you hide this, you will also not able to see other people post likes and view. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.